This is it. It's here. It's here, guys. It's here. What I have been waiting for. This. Okay, the dog nearby. Dog near my house crazy. So this is it. I bought it for comparison with my iPhone 16 Air. Oh, 17, sorry. 17 Air. I'm gonna get 17 Air, guys. So all of this prepare to the unboxing. Let's open like this. Can do like this. Okay. Unboxing iPhone. So the condition is, I can say it. It's great. It's oh, damaged the screen too. Let me turn it on. Hope it's iOS 1, iPhone OS 1 or iPhone. Normally it's all run on iPhone OS 3, but just wish. I wish to have iPhone OS 1, but maybe I have no luck. I bought iOS 1 of shoes and I sold it for advantage, you know. I earned from it. I bought around $50 and I sold it around 120, 130, and people buy it. It's hard to find. I know how to unlock it. Yeah, iOS 3. This is, yeah, we see the definitely iOS 3. Check 3.1.3. Wow, the screen is damaged badly, but it's fine. See, 3.1.3. It's fine. It just compare. It's going to be compared with my 17 Air. So yeah, I finally have it back. These two together, beautiful combo. Okay, see, I do this. Yeah, iPhone, the original iPhone.